I've been so excited to share these Korean barbecue tacos with you guys, but Ty and I just switched apartments and the lighting in this new kitchen has been absolutely awful to try to figure out. I wasn't even gonna post this video because for how much I tested this recipe and for how delicious they are, this video just does not do them justice. But these really are worth the time to make. I swear they are so good. Ty says they're amazing. He literally had them for breakfast the other day. And you can customize them to make them however you want. You could use flour tortillas if you want. You could use different toppings. You could do some lettuce or some cucumber salad. They really are so good. I'll leave the recipe in the caption for you guys.